These are the Oakley Offshoot frames, and I'll show you how to remove and reinstall the lens. So to remove the lens, you're going to take the bottom part of the frame and the bottom part of the lens and pull apart and push on one side. And then you do the same on the other. And then you're just going to slightly pop out both sides of the lens. The lens should now be removed from the frame. To install the lens, you're going to slide the top middle part of the lens into the grooves of the frame at the top, above the nose piece. And you're going to push down on both sides, right by the nose piece. There should be a click. And then you're going to take 2 fingers and your thumb, kind of push upwards so that you can slide the corners into their grooves. And then you do the same for the opposite side. So again, 2 fingers under, 1 finger on top. You kind of push it one way while you slide the lens into place on the other side. And there should be a loud click.